Hi, I'm the president of this condo association. 2 years ago, we hired Nonstop Locksmith to install a brand new weatherproof intercom. It's a 6-unit one, and for privacy purposes, we have the names covered. But given that 95% of all residents now purchase through online several packages, and given that we are here in Chicago, a couple of incidents of packages missing, so we prompted to ask Nonstop Locksmith for a keypad solution that allows us to give the code to our drivers, but have the durations limited, for example, Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. And so this was a brilliant solution. Nonstop Locksmith came and installed this thing where we still have like a master code for 24-hour access should the board or we have emergency service needed to be done. But then for packages delivery, we can change it regularly, and the residents can put in their, for example, Amazon delivery instructions, enter code, etc., etc. It opens it between the hours of this and this, and it even has an auto jamming feature, much like your smartphone, where if you enter the code 5 times incorrectly, for example, it jams it for 15 minutes. So that also prevents other people from nearby thinking they've seen, the code entered. So we're very happy with the solution. I'll just give you an example. And so you see here, it opens, and once it closes, the light goes back to blinking amber, and then you know that the system is working.